welcome back to my channel. Guys, please remember, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today we're gonna be going to my favorite gun range in South Florida, which is Henry's. It's located in the Homestead area, and we are gonna go ahead and shoot today the 300 Win Mag. So with that being said, let's get going. I want to show you guys what it looks like going over there. It's actually a pretty cool range to get to. One quick tip for you: if you're driving a electric car or a smart car, you probably should go there in a pickup truck. I think your car could possibly take some damage because of how the road is over there. But anyways, I'll let you guys see it for yourself.